escaped Chicago and it's boring and nasty weather, and we're here in Orlando. So I just have 24 hours. It started from yesterday, so a few more hours left to be here. And I'm going to some garden kind of park. Makes this guy pass by me. Let me stop for a second. Thank you. We are in Orlando, Florida. I knew that there is kind of nothing to see in downtown, so we went to Winter Park, and it's so beautiful here. And right now I'm going to the garden, and I'm so excited to be here. I'm so happy. The weather is so nice. I'm just excited. Honestly, it's like the most beautiful garden. There are some birds out there and they are sitting on the tree and walking around, and it's just, oh, it's this bird, exactly this bird, and it's just so beautiful. I'm just afraid I'm gonna meet some alligators, but otherwise beyond impressed, like for real. Do you believe that I'm filming you? Can you believe me? I'm so impressed. Like those houses, it's like my dream come true. I would love to live here. And here is the lake, and 60 minutes from here there is the ocean. I think it sounds perfect. I would rather live next to the ocean, but that's a good option as well. I would say it's like a solo trip for me, and I enjoyed so much. I cannot even explain how impressed I am, how grateful I am, but I cannot wait to move here. And I'm so happy that I didn't meet any alligators yet, and hopefully not today. And no. Wow, so beautiful. Like honestly, I used too much today's word beautiful, but thank you for posing me. Like ton of them here. What is happening? I've been walking for more than 2 hours and I'm still super happy. So we're going to get some water, some probably iced coffee, and then we will continue walking.